Up, down. Up, down. Tongue. All the way, all the way, all the way. Oh yes, nice and fresh.
Mommy, I want the towel.
Happy birthday! And guess what? It has your name, Amazing Amira. Yeah. This is from Malloy. Thank you, Malloy. Okay, so I'm heading back up to decorate the room for Amira. She's downstairs with Babe and Nathan, so they will keep busy for about. I just remembering I told the lady to come back. I told housekeeping to come back. Oh, she's there now. My band hasn't worked from day one. My band doesn't work. Like, at this point, why is it even on? Alright guys, we're all done. So this is our little setup for Amira's birthday. Yay! And then balloons galore because she's obsessed with balloons. And then we got happy birthday Amira J with frozen people. The other balloon bouquets in the car. So yeah, we're gonna go back down. Much love. We're gonna go back down now. We're gonna go back now. Have fun in the splash area and everything with Nathan and Amira. Then we'll be back and I'll get the reaction of Amira. Let's go. Happy Father's Day! I can't believe you're a whole dad. 3 years a dad. How does it feel?
Great.
You love it, huh?
Love, love, love it.
Guys, happy Father's Day to all our Hastings fam dads. Happy Father's Day to my dad, to Babe's dad, Super Duper. And just celebrate today is great. I can't believe Father's Day and Amira Shay's birthday landed on the same day this year. It's crazy.
Oh, it's the darkwing, Mommy.
What is it?
It's darkwing.
Oh!
That is a darkwing.
I know.
Oh, that's dinosaurs.
Those are the planes, Nathan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amira. Happy birthday to you. It is your birthday. Oh. Cheese! Quick cheese. If you do quick cheese, we can open it. Babe.
Daddy, happy Father's Day.
thank you, baby.
Aww.
Wow. It says you're the best. You're the kind of father who gives his family his all and who deserves all the love and respect he gets in return. Have a great Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, babe.
Thank you.
Amira, what else? Look, Daddy.
Thank you,
Hey,
It's a spray.
you know what to do.
It's a
Daddy has to spray it on his body.
Yeah, it's making
Okay, let's go now. Ice cream time. Outfit of the night. Babe, outfit of the night. Let's go. Oh, Zara, Mama Zara don't look so bad. Let's go. Okay, kids are ready. Put the ball back. You want a regular coffee, babe?
Yeah.
And a regular coffee, yeah? Sue, I'm gonna eat all of these. I'm joking, I'm joking. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. OOTD, no, N, outfit of the night. Couple next door. Hey, hey. So they have.
What happened? Okay.
Oh wow. You're making something. Oh, you're making a. She's making an egg. Alright, it's your turn. Okay, so we're gonna have
I'm making it.
chicken wontons, vegetable spring rolls, 2 tempura shrimp.
How many vegetable spring rolls?
Yeah. I see her here, you know, and from I see the mouth, guys, from I see the mouth doing this, I'm like, she's doing something. And then I see she made the egg. Huh?
Can I believe my dog?
Pardon? Nathan's calling me, yes, Nathan? Oh, he doesn't need me anymore. Say, don't put that on your mouth, Judy. So, look at your. This is not working.
You know what to write, right?
No, apparently not.
I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Let me show you how easy it is.
What happened? Oh, I thought she was killing it though. From my side, it looked like she was killing it. chicken. That's our asses. Here it is, babe.
Everybody else is eating.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. From Jamaica.
What's happening? Baby, what's
Yeah, sing
happening?
baby shark now.
It's everything.
Lady
The lady got it for you. Baby, listen.
Happy birthday to you.
You're so young. Age is just a number. Don't you stop having fun. This is your day, your day. Happy birthday to you. All right, everyone go like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, Amira, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Oh, Amira, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Whoa. Happy birthday. Why, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, dear Amira. Happy birthday. Hip, hip, hooray. Happy birthday, Amira. All right.
Did you say thank you? Say hello, thank you. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Hastings fam. We are headed to breakfast right now. It's about 8:30. I had to drag Amira out of bed. Bless her, she's so tired. She had a full day yesterday. So we're gonna have some breakfast, and I want to take them to have a look at the dolphins, and then probably last few bits in the game room and stuff, and then checkout is at 12. So it's our last few hours here. The kids absolutely loved it here. A little girl.
She's a little girl, yeah.
come to that time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. Moon Palace, it's been amazing. Thank you so much. Customer service was great. The experience was great. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Was it the best time ever?
Yeah.
That concludes Amira J's birthday weekend. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We appreciate all of you guys. We appreciate your likes, your comments, your subscribes, and your shares. So you know what this means. What did you have for Sunday dinner this week? What did you cook? Comment down below. Let's do a quick post notification shout out. This week's post notification shout out goes to, firstly, Michelle Williams, LOL. I hope Sue doesn't kill you with burpees when she watches this vlog. Next one goes to Passion Kensington. Happy Father's Day to your husband and happy B-Day to your daughter. Thank you so much. Next one goes to Deanna Berkeley. Happy Father's Day and happy birthday to your daughter. We have the same birthday. Tash Teeve says happy birthday princess and happy Father's Day. Next one, let's look for a food one. Here we go. Sammy Joe's Chance, thanks for the shout out. Ooh, you got another shout out. I had stuffed baked potato, jerk chicken, coconut veggie rice, white beans, and fresh salad. I love how y'all include Nathan in the outings every time. Yes, so that sounds really good. Thank you so much for commenting that. Remember to comment down below what you had for Sunday dinner. Remember, I live through your comments because I can't have all these lovely things right now. So quick update on my working out. I am working out at home, but I'm still working out. I'm still dieting. It's still going great. Nathan, we don't leave Nathan out. You guys, if you're a real OG, you always see Nathan on our channel from a very long time. Nathan is our godson. We love him so much, and we include him on literally everything. We do so much with him. A lot of the times we don't even get to video and stuff like that. So no problem. Nathan is he's literally like one of our first kids, right? Because he was around long before Amira was born. So shout out to you for noticing that too, and thank you guys for showing him so much love as well. He had a great time. Amira had a great time. I just love seeing them chill together, play together. You know, they played literally non-stop, and the greatest thing is that, as you guys saw in the video, we got him some gifts as well so that they could both unwrap together, and they just had a really cool time. It was really lovely. He's such a good big brother too. He takes care of her really well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Our next vlog will be on Sunday, of course. Happy Hastings Sunday. We have a lot of great content coming for you guys, a lot more of experiences, because we realize that you guys really love to kind of live through experiences with us. You know, it's our little family, and we just go about doing different things. So that is what we have in store for you guys. I hope you're super excited. I can't wait. It's so hot here in Jamaica. The rain is about to tear down the place, but you know, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thought of the week is, just when you're at that point where it feels like it's breaking point, you're struggling, you can't go any further, frustration is at its peak, you know, it's just yes,
Mommy, I'm sweating.
you're sweating in the darkest place, there's no way out. That's the moment when hopefully things will start looking up. Hopefully you will see the light. Hopefully good things will start happening after happening. So just hang in there. Sometimes it takes a bit longer. You know, we have a plan, but the big man up above, the real general, has a whole different plan. So just hang in there and continue putting your all out and believing and having hope, because without hope there's absolutely nothing. Have a great week, Hastings fam. Have a productive week, Hastings fam, and we'll see you on Sunday. Bye.